We are starting a beautiful time of Advent, the time that should prepare ourselves for the celebration of Christmas. But this is not the only one reason when we are celebrating Advent. This is not the purpose that we have an Advent, only one. But first, about the celebration Christmas. Advent, it's not Christmas season yet, okay? I know that everything around us is disturbing us by the Christmas decoration that are with us already, even at the rectory. Okay. But it's not Christmas yet. The color of the liturgy, it's the purple color. And this is not the color of joyful. It's not time yet to celebrate Christmas. Why we have a purple color? Because this is the color of what? Of penance, of reconciliation. This is the color of the seasons when we have to slow down, look at our life, and remember that we should prepare ourselves for some big celebrations. We are using the purple color in the liturgy twice, Advent and Lent, to prepare ourselves for Christmas and to prepare ourselves for Easter. So, make Advent time of preparation, not yet time of celebration. Celebration is Christmas. This is the day, and 8 days after Christmas, this is Christmas season. As I say, I understand it's not easy. Everything, all the Christmas parties are fortunately before Christmas, not after Christmas. Everything is before Christmas, but coming to the church, seeing the purple color, seeing these 4 candles, remember that you are preparing yourself for the big celebration of Christmas. Talking about Advent, as you know, I hope, Advent has 2 separate times. It's the first part of Advent. It's the time when we are remembering that Jesus will come again second time. And that today Gospel is showing us. The last part of Advent is the time when the liturgy and the readings of the liturgy are remembering us the first coming of Jesus Christ. And in the second part of Advent, we will hear more readings from prophets that are making a prophecy about the Messiah. Right now, we are in the time when we have to remind that Jesus will come back. And this is why Jesus is calling us today to watch. Be careful, because you don't know when I will come back. Jesus is saying us today, be watchful, because I am coming back. You don't have idea when I will come, but for sure I will. And unfortunately, because we are still waiting almost 2,000 years since Jesus said that he will come back, we are still waiting, and so many of us are not worried more about this. Jesus said that he will come back 2,000 years, and he is not coming, so maybe he will not come. Maybe this world will never end. Oh, it will. I hope this world will end. Yeah, it's like every year is the same questions for me. Do you want to go to heaven? Yes, of course, everyone wants to go to heaven. Do you want to go to heaven today? Do you want to be with Jesus? Yes. Do you want that the last day it will be today? Can we wait 1 week more or 2 weeks more? We want to be with Jesus, but the question is coming to us. When He is coming, it's like, hey, I am not ready yet. Wait. Yeah, and how to prepare ourselves for the last day? How to be watchful? When you are wake up morning, say to yourself, this is the last day. If this day will be my last day, if this is the last day of the world, it has to be the best day in my life. And going sleep, when you are making your examination of conscience, ask yourself, if Jesus will call me today, I am ready. Because as Jesus said, we don't have idea when He will come. Don't wait, saying to you, go to confession, maybe Easter. What if Jesus will come before Easter? What you will say to Him is like, please, it's like 3 months. You was waiting 2,000 years, you can wait 3 months for me? Be ready, be watchful right now, at this moment. And make this Advent a time of reflection that He is coming back. Make it this time of Advent the time of reflection and prepare yourself to celebrate Christmas. Make the liturgy, not the liturgy, the days of your life purple in this time. Time of preparation. Time of reconciliation. Slow down. Stop by in the church. Maybe make some promises, make the same what you are doing during the Lent. Now maybe a little more prayer, maybe a little less coffee, something like this. But do something. And you will see on the Christmas day how more joyful this time will be for you. Make the Advent time of preparation. Amen.